Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to add lock extensions to SISTERLOCS. If you've been wanting to add length and volume to your SISTERLOCS, this video is for you. Make sure that your locks are healthy and strong before adding any extensions. If they're weak or thinning, adding an extension may not be a good idea because it adds extra weight to your already weak lock. So ensure that your locks are healthy and strong before doing any of this. Step 1. Latch the lock onto the SISTERLOC using the crochet hook. Just slide the hook through the base of the SISTERLOC and then grab onto the lock extension, then you pull it through. Be gentle as you do this. Step 2 is to wrap the SISTERLOC around the extension. You want to make sure that it's tightly wound so that there are no gaps. Step 3. Lock the extension in place using the crochet hook. This will ensure that it doesn't unravel or become loose over time. We want these things firmly in place. Once you've attached the extension, it's time to give it a better look. To do this, hold the newly attached extension between your palms and palm roll for an even look. This will help the extension to blend in with your natural locks. You don't want it looking foreign on your head. Finally, you'll want to trim along the extension with scissors for a neater look. Just make sure to do this carefully so you don't accidentally cut your own hair. We need to keep that firmly in place. And there you have it. That's how you add lock extensions to your SISTERLOCS. It's a nice way to switch up your style and add some length to your beautiful locks. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our Livara channel for more hair tutorials. We love you.